Meaning of including.
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 Including. Including is a preposition that is used to indicate that something or someone is part of a larger group or set. It can be used to show that an item is being added to something, or to outline all the members of a category, set, or group. For example, my shopping list includes apples, bananas, and oranges means that these 3 fruits are all part of the shopping list. In summary, including denotes the incorporation of one or more things into an already existing group or set. It is a useful word for specifying the full range of items that belong to a certain category or set.